Hi, I just want to make a few comments about Facebook because I'm just absolutely outraged about this sick organisation, which I joined many years ago and started to have my doubts, but I gave Facebook the benefit of the doubt. I thought, well, you know, yeah, like everything in this world, they compromise to a degree, but at least the facilitating sharing of information, words getting out there. People are getting connected, so you know, I stayed with it. But in the last few years especially, you know, this has been happening to me regularly. Now, bearing in mind that I'm a person that promotes human rights, promotes child protection directives, I don't post pornographic material on my Facebook, I don't support any form of extremism, I don't support you know, violence or any criminal activities. I don't promote drugs, hard drugs, or anything really that could be considered offensive. What I do promote, what I do post on my Facebook is solutions and exposing crime and criminals in order to alert people to the risks, especially to children, and also that people then hopefully will get on board with the positive and lawful solutions that I support and that I promote. I don't put anything extreme on my page that would be considered offensive. Okay, so on this particular day that this happened, which was over 2 weeks ago now, about 15 days ago, on that particular day, I remember when I saw this, the next day, and I was like, well, what did I post yesterday or the last few days? Mostly stuff that was on my timeline, I'd reshared onto my timeline, or on from YouTube, a video from YouTube. Okay, so anyway, I posted something that doesn't think so. This post will last this temporary block will last for 7 days. Well, it's been 15 days nearly. Okay, and you won't be able to post on Facebook until it's finished. Well, it finished apparently 9 days ago, Facebook, but you know, never mind. You don't tell me what it was I posted. Please bear in mind that people who repeatedly post things that aren't allowed on Facebook may have their accounts permanently disabled. Really? Really? So perhaps you could tell me what post it was that I posted that was so offensive. So here we go. And oh, what type of sharing is allowed on Facebook? Let's have a look and see what type of sharing. Because apparently we remove content with law enforcement when we believe there is a genuine risk of physical harm or direct threats to public safety. Really? So I have made a post, okay, that is a genuine risk of physical harm, have I? Okay, so meanwhile, I find out that you, Facebook, have been giving corrupt corporations that operate specifically to undermine democracy, okay, Cambridge Analytica, you have been allowing them access to my data without my permission, knowledge or consent. You have been violating my human rights to privacy in order to what? To assist criminals, okay? That is what you have been doing. To assist criminals. That is what you have been doing. And yet at the same time, I'm getting penalised, and for what? For sharing a post exposing crime and corruption of the type of criminals that run organisations like Cambridge Analytica. So I'm getting penalised because I am exposing the corruption and I'm putting forward positive, viable solutions. So I'm such a threat, I'm a dangerous person, you know, who needs to be blocked and blocked and blocked. But never mind that Facebook, knowing full well that YouTube is absolutely full of videos apparently that aren't allowed on Facebook, and yet here we go, look, there's the share button under every single YouTube video, and let's have a look. Oh, first one, Facebook. Well, Facebook, why are you in direct cahoots with an organisation like YouTube that is apparently full of videos that ordinary people get penalised for sharing on your Facebook, or even prosecuted by the police? Okay, but it's alright for YouTube to make profits out of all these videos, isn't it? All these offensive videos. It's alright for them to exist and earn their money. It's alright for you to exist and give out all our data to evil, corrupt criminals, okay, that are actually working to undermine democracy, okay? Don't forget what's happened to Iraq. Apparently they needed democracy. But never mind that our own countries are being infiltrated by these evil, corrupt people who resort to what? Entrapment, bribery, blackmail, okay, in order to what? Undermine our democracy and our human rights. And you have violated my human rights, Facebook, and now you are going to be permanently blocked from my life. I will get back into my Facebook at some point and retrieve my personal data and material, and then I am closing down my account. You are blocked from my life, and I am right now looking at legal action, taking legal action to get the internet cleared up, okay, of the type of criminals that you support. And I mean, how dare you use the fact that I've joined your Facebook in good faith to share information with people, and I'm being made to feel like a criminal. I've literally been criminalised directly because of my interaction with Facebook. But meanwhile, YouTube, oh, they can post what the fuck they like, can be put onto their site, uploaded. Nothing's going to happen to YouTube, because apparently they're not liable. Really, aren't you, YouTube? You are in for one big, huge shock. And you, Facebook, I tell you, I am outraged. Okay, and you know, this block came just the day before all this Cambridge Analytica stuff came out. Okay, and I had shared something about from news reports about Cambridge Analytica just the night before. I think it had come out that day when I got blocked, and I'd shared a few things about this. So do you know what, Facebook? You are finished. You're finished. That's it. You're gone. And I am looking into taking legal action against you now. You have violated me, and you've caused, my life has been damaged through you. I've been attacked online. I've suffered trolling and just theft of my material now. How dare you have the audacity to block me, to close my account, to use the very fact that I've joined your group, your Facebook, okay, that directly because of that then you can use your power to tell me I've been a naughty girl. Okay, I've been a naughty girl. I've been a bad girl. What? For posting my humanitarian posts exposing criminals like these? And you want to shut me up. You want to make me feel bad. You want to persecute me, to actually make me feel restricted. Well, I did not join Facebook in order to feel that, in order to be violated, my privacy to be violated, to be criminalised because I'm sharing posts that are still to this day freely available on YouTube. The very posts that people are being criminalised for sharing are still on YouTube to this day. Okay? And you even have the apps to share it. What absolute hypocritical scum you really are, Facebook. And I tell you now, you're finished. I'm blocking you. I'm looking at taking legal action against you and YouTube. And I tell you now, you have not got a leg to stand on. And how dare you block me. Now you are being removed, blocked, permanently from my life. I don't want anything to do with you. I think you're a despicable, disgusting organisation, and it really enrages me that somebody like me gets blocked for what, a post that you can't even show me what it is, okay? And yet my page, the timeline, the general timeline on Facebook has recently been absolutely full of extremist crap showing extreme violence, extreme hatred against Muslims, against Jews, even against Christians. You know, that's Facebook full of it. I've blocked and reported posts repeatedly, and I've noticed that not one of those people have ever been blocked or even so much as slightly restricted by Facebook. And yet some people like me who are sharing genuine information with genuine concerns and promoting genuine viable solutions, oh yeah, you know, make sure that you come down on us like a ton of bricks. Well, it's over. The party's over. Reality is hitting, and you are gone, Facebook. You are gone from my life. As I say, you are now permanently blocked. Your account with me is permanently closed. You've been very, very bad, Facebook.